is Ann.
This is Lance.
And we are DaLuecks.
DaLuecks.
Yes, for today's vlog, we're going to have a tour with the elephant. And there's no riding please.
Nope.
No, so it's just
It's just to get to know them. There's
get
a
to
little
know
one
them.
coming.
Yeah.
And a
Get
big
to know
one.
them and maybe bathing with them. And here's the place.
Okay.
There they are.
First, can you touch the elephant? Make friend first. It's okay. Touching to do playing with the elephant first.
Okay.
Oh.
So that is Natalie, the mom, and then the baby is Michael.
Okay, yeah, first we are going with the elephant in jungle. And then we come back here again
Okay.
to
Walking in the jungle. They are here. The mama is Natalie.
Mama is Natalie. How you know mom and son?
Because you said so.
Okay, Michael, you feeding. You feed the sugar cane.
Okay. Hold on. Hold on. You just got it.
No scary, no scary.
Hold on.
It's okay, it's okay.
Hold on.
No, no.
It's okay.
Michael. Michael.
Step back.
He just grabbed the sugar cane.
Got them all now. Yeah.
It's beautiful. It's comfort.
He's quicker than you.
Okay, hold on, hold on. Hey, so Lance is feeding the mama. So the mama named Natalie. Yes. More? Want more, Natalie?
Oh, it's beautiful, amazing picture.
Natalie!
You come here 2 times or first time?
First time.
Oh, first time.
Yeah.
You eat and you have to save. We keep more up there.
Yeah.
Because
There you go.
They're not enough. You picture in the
Okay.
They transfer for you picture. 1 second. Okay, 1 second.
How old is she?
This is about 30 years old. Oh.
I'm older than you, Natalie.
One, same.
So the baby is Michael.
Okay, hold on.
Michael. You said you have more. You have more. Michael, no, I don't have any more.
Mhm. Here, eat. Oh. You're gonna get them all, huh? All in one.
Oh my God, you just like grab everything.
No more. There you see, empty.
No more.
No more hiding.
Okay, give it. I will give.
Gotta check. He's checking in there. You're gonna get wrapped up. No. Says no. Baby, you know you can fold these as pictures too. There you go.
It's a trick. Oh, look at that.
You got a big mouth.
You got a big mouth, mama. So how many times you guys need to feed them?
Feed them many times.
Many times? They always hungry.
All the time, eating per day.
Yeah guys, so they are always hungry, so they feed them almost every time.
Big ears.
And big ears. So what is the movie called, Baby with the Elephant? Dumbo.
Oh,
Dumbo, yeah. Yeah, so Dumbo, the elephant movie that can fly. There you go, the baby Dumbo. But this is the mama Dumbo. Yeah, they're so pretty. Oh, no more. No more. Oh my God.
I know someone has that.
I know someone got something. So what else do you guys feed them? Sugar cane, banana, and more? More fruits?
Thôi, thịt bè nhận thôi.
Michael, where are you going? What is it? Michael? Oh, so it's like, you know, when the kid did something wrong.
Okay,
Don't make yourself so difficult, okay?
Michael, oh, poor boy. It's okay, come on. Do you have a punishment? Oh, Michael. Oh.
Thôi, ha.
小象，他真是好努力。
Oh.
去干嘛呀？
Michael. Oh, they like grass too. Oh. Aww.
Gonna go up in the bush.
Come on, get up. Up. How can you see if they are happy? How can you tell if they are happy? Every day? They are happy every day. Especially if you feed them more.
Yeah. When we had the eating, they're happy.
Yeah, every time. So it's like us human. We were always happy if we eat.
They like
Some grass.